Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. This is the first video of fall. Woohoo! I am super excited about it. I will have videos to my hair and my makeup coming soon, but for today's video I am teaching you how to make some really awesome fall decor, and it is super cute. So let's get on into it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below which decor let me know down below which decor idea you liked best. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!